Today we are waxing my client who has hirsutism, which is basically having masculine hair growth on women. So we're using Sexy Smooth Wax, Golden Allure, because I'm obsessed. Like, this wax has really been doing its job, y'all. I just can't stop using it. Don't worry, anytime now, I'm gonna mix it. Don't you guys worry. So, when it comes to pulling these strips off, make sure you pull them off and apply pressure. These hairs are more stubborn and thick, as you can see here. And these hairs can sometimes be a little bit more uncomfortable when removing because, like I said, they are thicker than the average hairs on the face. I like to do sections when I'm waxing my client. I feel like it just makes it easier for them. And I like to follow up with pressure too. I do have a little stagger going on. That's the best way that I feel like I get these hairs up. As you can see here, there's lots of hair. So you guys see that? So the wax definitely is doing what it's doing. We're gonna grab that upper lip real fast, apply lots of pressure. Do not be afraid when you're waxing someone's face to apply pressure. I promise you, it doesn't hurt them. Like, they literally don't feel a thing. So, taking the lip strip off is the same thing, guys. You can pull it in one pull, or you can just do a stagger, no matter what. But that wax definitely snatched them hairs up. And this is a curved area, so you want to pull with the curve so you don't damage or break any hairs. That's very important. Let me show you guys this strip. This is usually where there's a lot of hairs happening. Oh yeah. Now we're going to do cleanup. I like to go in the opposite direction. Keyword, I like to go. Other waxers will do things differently, guys. This is just a proven method for me that always works when it comes to getting those little stragglers. And of course, doing that stagger pull. Y'all see them? So let's move on to the other side. I like to do one side, and then I like to move on to the other side. And at the end of it, you typically have a few hairs that you may have to tweeze. So be prepared to do that when you're waxing someone who has hirsutism or PCOS. Lots of pressure, guys. This side actually has more hair, if you notice. So making sure I apply lots of pressure because you want that wax to pick up a lot of hairs the first go round. Especially like if you're waxing someone who gets irritated after the first strip, you can't go over it anymore with wax. So you have to kind of remember that. When you're doing the face, apply lots of pressure just in case if you can't go over an area again. Yes, with hard wax, you can go over 2 to 3 times, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Now, this wax is still on sale. It's at $10.75 a bag. I know, like for July, they have a code that gives you an extra 10% if you order like more than 11 pounds, which is like July bulk 10%. So take advantage of that, guys, because the deal itself is already great. And now they have like a deal on top of a deal, so you really can't beat that. And I'll be giving away some of this wax for free as well, my next giveaway, which is August 16th. So I plan on seeing all of you at-home waxers and SDs on my live at 4 p.m. Eastern time. Do not be late. All right, guys, let's go ahead and polish up this face because, I mean, why not? That Pretty Kitty and body oil can be used on the face, guys. You guys ask me a lot. Of course it can, especially when you have hirsutism because you're more prone to getting ingrowns, bumps, and breakouts. Look how gorgeous my wax model looks. I just love doing this service.